Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rubu Ma'am's Classes. Today's topic algebraic expressions or algebra. Alright, this video, ये video and उसके बाद कुछ videos में I'll cover up the complete chapter of algebraic expressions. So watch attentively. Children, this is introduction video. आप बहुत ध्यान से सुनोगे तो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएंगे. Alright, बहुत ही easy है. So let's start. First, what is algebra? Algebra क्या है? The term is new for you. Term आपके लिए नया है, but बहुत ही easy है. Okay? Algebra means where numbers are there, where letters are there, and signs of mathematical operation. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? कोई बात नहीं. We'll just see and learn. I have some pens over here. मेरे पास कुछ pens हैं. Alright? How many pens are here? Suppose here there are all together 30 pens. Alright? So 30 pens are there. Fine. Now out of 30, suppose I have blue pens. I haven't counted. I have some number of blue pens. कुछ blue pen है. मैंने count नहीं किया. So how many blue pens? मैंने count नहीं किया. So X. Alright. Instead of blue pens, as I haven't counted, मैंने count ही नहीं किया. So मैंने एक letter X लिख दिया. Alright. Next. I have some black pens also. Okay, black pens भी मैंने count नहीं किया. So how many black pens I have? I don't know. So Y black pen. Instead of that number जो मुझे पता भी नहीं है, so मैंने Y लिख दिया. Then I have red pens also. मेरे पास red pen भी है. That also I haven't counted. So how many red pens are here? So I'll say Z. X, Y, Z. And all together X, Y, Z. Red, green and black pens. Okay, and black pens together मेरे पास है 30 pens है. So that means is equal X plus Y plus Z. This is only algebra where we don't know the exact number. हमें exact number नहीं पता होता है. We use some letters instead of blue, black and red pen. I use some letters. Alright, so this is what the algebra is. Alright, समझ में आ गया? So algebra means where we don't know the exact value and we put some letters. जहाँ पे हमें exact value नहीं पता होता है और हम letters use करते हैं and letters के साथ plus minus signs भी use होता है. So that is what the algebra is. Now here equal sign is there and total is written. So this is called equation. Alright, this is called equation because here equal sign is there. आपको समझ में आएगा जैसे जैसे हम क्लास आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now one more example. एक दूसरे example से समझते हैं. I have some sheets of papers. Fine. Now मेरे पास कुछ sheets of papers है. कुछ some मैंने count नहीं किया. So what I will write X number of papers. Fine. Alright. Minus मुझे किसी को देना है. So I'll give 5 sheets of papers to someone. 5 I have given away. So minus 5. Alright. Fine. And now I have 25 with me. Now I have 25 with me. Fine. So this is what the algebra is. So we need to find out the X value. पहले मेरे पास कितने sheets of papers थे? So that is what we do when we solve equation. So here equal sign is there. So this is equation. What is the need to use algebra? Algebra हम क्यों use करते हैं? Let's see. In previous example, x minus 5 is equal 25. Fine. इसी को अगर हमें words में लिखना है, so हम लिखेंगे I had some sheets of papers. I gave 5 sheets of papers to my friend. Now I have 25 sheets of papers with me. Instead of writing so many words, when we write in this form, in algebraic expressions and then equation, it becomes so easy. And after that, we can find out the value of the letter also. That you will learn in the next step. Fine, how to find out the value? तो आप next step में सीखोगे. So that is why we use algebraic expressions or algebra, the part of maths, where using letters we can easily find out value, it saves number of words. All right. Now let's learn the terms related to algebra. All right. First है constant. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, बहुत ही इजी है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. All right. यहाँ पे how many pens are here? 30. Fine. 30 pens are here. I have 30 pens over here. All right. And someone has given me x more number of pens. So plus x. All right. Fine. Someone has given me some more. मैंने बोला some more. मुझे पता नहीं है. I haven't counted. So I have used a letter. ऐसा नहीं कि x से लिखना है. Okay. You can write any letter. You can write P also. Any alphabetical letter you can write. So I had 30 pens. Someone gave me P more. So 30 plus P. This is algebraic expression. So this is algebraic expression. Now let's know what does constant, variable, term, what do all mean. All right, let's see. Now this number 30. How many pens? How many pens? Earlier I had 30, which is fixed only. 30 I had. I know the number. So this is called constant. This is called constant, where the value is fixed. I knew the value. So 30, which is called constant. Then I got some extra. I didn't count. Fine. I got some extra. So that sum we use a letter. One alphabetical letter we have used. So this letter where we don't know the number. Don't know. Pay attention. ध्यान से सुनना. जिसकी वैल्यू हमें नहीं पता है. So वैल्यू नहीं पता है. So that is called variable. What is this? Variable or variable. The word itself means the value varies. Alright. The value varies. So this is variable. Alright. So variable means we don't know the value, and constant means where the value is fixed. 30 pens, 30 only. And together this is one algebraic expression. This is one algebraic expression where one constant is there, one variable is there, and we put together by the sign of plus. Alright. Fine. Now term. This plus sign has separated variable and constant. Alright. So this is considered as one term and this is considered as another term. Alright. So constant and variable are separated by using addition sign. Alright. So constant, value fixed, variable or variable, where the value varies, we don't know the value, together algebraic expression, and constant and variable are separated by mathematical operation signs. Maybe plus over here because someone gave. If it is taken away, so minus. Alright. So here two terms are there. Coefficients. Now see here, I have written here one term, 27x square. Alright, fine. Now 27x square means 27 into x square. Alright, 27 is multiplied with x square. Alright, now this 27 is called as numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. And this x square is called as literal coefficient. Literal coefficient. Alright, so in a term, the number factor is called numerical coefficient. The letter factor is called as literal coefficient. Like terms, unlike terms, नाम से ही पता चलते हैं. Like terms means जिसके tones. Terms means जिसके literal factors same है. Alright, let's see. This is 5a square and this is 6a square. 5a square, 6a square. same. So these two are दोनों हो गए like terms. All right. Same way, this is minus 7b square and this is 11b square. दोनों के literal factors same है. So दोनों हो गए like terms. These two terms are like terms. समझ में आ गया? Now next, this is 8z square. All right, and this one is 8 upon 21z square. All right, fine. यहाँ पे भी literal factors same है. दोनों के literal factors same है. So दोनों है like terms. All right, fine. But if you compare, if you see, not compare, अगर आप ये दोनों factors को terms को देखोगे, ये तो unlike terms है. दोनों के literal factors same है. Same way, if you see this and this, दोनों हो गए unlike terms क्योंकि दोनों के literal factors अलग है. All right, got it? So like terms means जिसके literal factors same है. All right, and unlike factors means unlike terms means जिसके literal factors अलग है. So this and this unlike, this and this unlike, this and this of course unlike, उसके literal factors अलग है. This and this again unlike है. This and this unlike. But लेकिन 5a square, 6a square like terms है. All right. Coefficients. Now see here, I have written here one term, 27x square. All right. Fine. Now 27x square means 27 into x square. All right. 27 is multiplied with x square. Alright, now this 27 is called as numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient, and this x square is called as literal coefficient. Literal coefficient. Alright, so in a term, the number factor is called numerical coefficient. The letter factor is called as literal coefficient. So children, मैंने ये वीडियो में step by step I am teaching, okay? So आप ध्यान से सुनिए, step by step I am moving ahead. आपको समझ में आएगा. Alright, pay attention, you would understand and in fact enjoy also. Alright. Now, types of algebraic expressions. There are different types of expressions. आपको क्वेश्चन भी मिलते हैं एग्जाम में. Find out which one is monomial, binomial, trinomial. वापस ये क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. All right. Mono means what? Mono means one. Bi means two. Tri means three. All right. So, expression, algebraic expression जिसके term एक है, उसको बोलते हैं monomial. All right. Term one means monomial. Mono means one. Mono word itself means one. All right. So monomial. See here you can see 3x square. ये एक expression है जिसके एक ही term है. 3x square. एक ही term है, वो एक expression है. So this is monomial. Next, minus mn. ये भी एक expression है जिसकी एक ही term है. All right. Minus mn. Yes. यहाँ पे आप लोग confuse होते हो. What you think? You think that m and n these are two terms. बिल्कुल नहीं है. Terms multiplication या division से separate नहीं होते हैं. That I'll say धीरे धीरे. Okay, level wise I'm explaining. Okay, all right. So this is one term. So monomial. All right. Now next, binomial. नाम से ही पता चलते हैं. दो term. See 2b plus 3. ये एक term है. ये एक term है. दोनों को प्लस साइन से सेपरेट किया गया है. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट 5p minus 7q. ऑलराइट, ये एक टर्म है, दिस इज अनदर टर्म एंड दे आर सेपरेटेड बाय माइनस साइन. सो हो गया बाइनोमियल, टू टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट ट्राइनोमियल. सेम वे 2a square minus 3ab plus 5b. ऑलराइट, इसके थ्री टर्म्स. दिस इज वन टर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म. दोनों को माइनस से सेपरेट किया गया है एंड दिस इज द थर्ड टर्म. ऑलराइट, सो ट्राइनोमियल. समझ में आ गया? सी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग, बेसिक से स्टार्ट किया है. सो इफ यू पे अटेंशन आपको समझ में आएगा. ऑलराइट, एंड लेवल बाय लेवल आई कीप एक्सप्लेनिंग. ऑलराइट, फाइन. ऑलरेडी आई हैव मेड, ओके, many videos on how to solve algebraic expressions, simplification. I have made videos. Alright, please watch those. Now next, polynomial. What is polynomial? Expression containing two or more terms. one algebraic expression जिसके two or more terms होते हैं उसको polynomial we say. Alright. Now next, not polynomial. This is very important. ये बहुत ही important है, एग्जाम में आते ही है और आप लोग मिस्टेक कर देते हो. Why? Because you don't listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनिए, बहुत ज्यादा important. Okay? एग्जाम में आते ही है. Now not polynomial. कब polynomial नहीं है? If कोई algebraic expression में, see here I have written एक term, मैंने एक term लिखे है जिसकी power negative में है. Can you see it? See here the power is in negative. If any algebraic expression जिसमें एक term हो और उसकी power exponent negative में है, तब वो polynomial नहीं होगा. दो से ज्यादा term होगा but then also वो polynomial नहीं होगा and reason है power negative. Alright, this is one example. Next, see here I have written one term. इसके variable denominator में है. If कोई एक algebraic expression जिसके variable denominator में है, then वो polynomial नहीं होगा. वो expression polynomial नहीं होगा. Term दो से ज्यादा भी हो, but फिर भी नहीं होगा. Okay? You would think that इसके okay terms are more than two. Okay? So it will be polynomial. No. This is an example where it is not a polynomial and here power negative, no polynomial. Variable denominator, no polynomial. Next, yeah, see here, variable in the root form. Can you see? Now here the variable is in the root form. So no polynomial. Variable root form में होगा तभी भी polynomial नहीं होगा. All right. Here again, see this is an algebraic expression जिसकी terms there are three terms. So ये polynomial होना चाहिए. Yes, two or more than two. But ये polynomial नहीं है और reason है इसके variable denominator में है. Alright? ये सारे examples आप अच्छे से observe कर लीजिए. Alright? Because this is very important. Alright? Degree of polynomial. How will you find out the degree of polynomial? ये भी बहुत important है, एग्जाम में आते ही है. Alright? So listen carefully. So degree of polynomial means highest power of the variable. Expression में जो variable है उसके highest power को we say as the degree. ठीक है? Let's see. See here 5 minus 9x. So यहाँ degree है 1 because x की power 1 है. Alright, so here the degree is 1. Next, 2x square plus 7x minus 11. So in this algebraic expression where there are three terms, highest power है 2. Alright, so degree is 2 because degree means the highest power. Alright. Now next see here, degree is 3. Why? Because see this is the highest power. Highest power. Here 2, power is 2. Power is 1. Alright, so here, okay, this I'll explain. So here the highest power is 3. So that is the degree. Now in this case, this is something new, isn't it? Not new. Okay, आप सीख लोगे. See minus 4. This is one constant. Alright, so can we write minus 4? Okay, minus 4 into 1. क्या हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? Yes, okay. So minus 4 into 1 means x raised to the power 0. Alright, find x raised to the power 0 जिसके value 1 होते हैं. Alright, can we write like this? So that is why we have written here. And ये variable के power है 0. So degree is 0. Alright, ये आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देख लीजिए. This one is new for you. So see and listen carefully, observe carefully. Alright. और ध्यान लीजिए. See I have written here what? If the polynomial is in two or more variable, then the sum of the powers of the variables in each term is taken and the greatest sum is the degree of the polynomial. कुछ समझ में आया? You would understand. विथ एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल के साथ आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे। ध्यान दीजिए, सी हियर, this is one polynomial and this is another polynomial. Now let's see here. Now the first term which is 3x square, इसकी पावर क्या है 2. Now second term, here 1 is there, 1 is there, so दोनों मिला के पावर is 2. Alright, दो वेरिएबल है एंड दोनों की पावर मिला के टोटल 2. एंड here ये वेरिएबल की पावर है 2, y की पावर 2. अब डिग्री क्या होगा? All three are 2 only. So in this case, degree would be 2. Okay? But what you need to note, आपको ध्यान क्या देना है? जहाँ पे variable different है, we added the powers. Alright? Then now next, see here one more polynomial I have written. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are here, and in this term. And even this also, there are two variables. दो variable है a and b. Let's see. डरना नहीं है. Let's see. Okay. Now here ये variable की power 2. Then ये दोनों variable की power को आपको add करना है. And then it is 4. 2 plus 2 4. All right. Now here the power is 3. And here power 1 and 1 है. All right. So together 2. दोनों वेरिएबल के दोनों पावर 1 plus 1, so 2. Now degree means what? Highest power. So here degree is equal 4. ये आपको मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. Alright. In exam even you get questions on this also. Alright. So वहां पे आपको मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. So pay attention. पॉलिनोमियल की स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, व्हेन डू वी से अब पॉलिनोमियल हम कब बोलते हैं कि एक पॉलिनोमियल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है? व्हेन द डिग्रीज ओके आर अरेंज्ड हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट. समझ में आया? एग्जांपल के साथ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ सी हियर, आई हैव रिटन वन पॉलिनोमियल. मैंने एक पॉलिनोमियल आई हैव रिटन. नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज नॉट अरेंज्ड, द डिग्रीज आर नॉट अरेंज्ड. ऑलराइट, ओके फाइन. हियर see this term, here the degree is 1, this term degree is 3, this term degree is what? Can you think of? 5. ये एक कांस्टेंट है, इसकी डिग्री क्या है? Can you think? मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. Yes, very good, आप करेक्ट हो. इसकी डिग्री है 0. कैसे? 5 into 1, 5 into x raised to the power 0. So इसकी डिग्री है 0 and ये टर्म की डिग्री है 2. And when we will arrange, जब हम इसे डिग्री वाइज हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट अरेंज कर देंगे, then तब वो पॉलिनोमियल हो जाएगा इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, लेट्स डू दैट. सी हियर, डिग्री 3, so first we have written degree 2, next degree 1, all right, next degree 0 at the end. So this is arranged in ये कौन सी डिग्री वाइज हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज है, and this polynomial is called in standard form because degrees are arranged in what? कैसे? Descending order में. Alright? I hope you have understood. Please pay attention, be attentive. ध्यान से आप स्टार्टिंग से लास्ट तक देखिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएंगे. Alright? Whenever जहाँ पे आपको लगता है पॉज करना है, पॉज कीजिए and note down कीजिए, and then you will understand. Alright? Thank you.